Hey there, Wolfpack! Maybe you heard the exciting news, but we have a contest this week at CVMS. The contest is to submit your best artwork, such as a drawing, a painting, or even a clay object. And this is supposed to be of your favorite character from a book or a movie. And so I'm sure many of you artists are diligently at work, but you're wondering, how do I take a picture of my drawing so I can turn it in and win the contest? Well, I'm here to help you. Taking pictures on your computer is very simple once you know how to access the camera. The first step in accessing your camera is to click the Windows button on your keyboard. There's a picture on the screen, and the Windows button can usually be found in the lower left-hand corner of your keyboard. When you click the Windows button, it's going to pull up a long list of apps and software that is available on your computer. In the section under C, you will see the camera icon, and so you can click on that to open the camera. Once the camera is open, all you need to do is hold up your artwork, or if you need to, you can hold your computer camera over the artwork so that you can get a better picture, play around with it, and click the camera button on the right, and voila, you have your picture. Once you've taken your picture, be sure to submit your entry. You will submit that by attaching or pasting your picture of your art in an email to Ms. Widener at the email address on the screen. The deadline for turning in your work is 4 p.m. this Friday. So artists, get to work and don't forget to take a picture and email your work by 4 p.m. this Friday. Good luck, guys!